Years ago, this Mustang was built to turn heads. Now, it has been forgotten. But before bringing it back to life, every problem has to be found. The engine has been sitting for years. It won't start today. Before touching the body, everything that can hide the real damage has to come out. After decades of neglect, the Mustang finally has a clean foundation again. Let's see if we can get this old V8 turning.
Years ago, this Mustang was built to turn heads. Now, it has been forgotten.
Rust is deep. We need to cut this whole section out. Going to be a long project.
Let's see what we are dealing with in here. It is going to be a lot of work. Wow, this floor is worse than I thought. Thick rust everywhere. She's rough, but she's solid. Quarter panel's seen better days. Before restoration can begin, every problem has to be identified. Let's see if this old V8 will still turn over. The oil doesn't look too bad, actually. No water mixed in, so that's a huge relief. This oil is pitch black and full of grit. This terminal is completely eaten by corrosion. We'll need to replace these cables. She is completely seized. She's got a lot of rust, but we'll make it work. This engine has been dormant for years. It will not start today. Let's see what's under all this dirt. This old green paint has been hiding for decades. That's a bit better, but there is still a long way to go. Years of dirt were hiding the real condition. Once the surface was clean, the damage became impossible to ignore. Before addressing the structure, everything concealing the damage must be removed. With the interior cleared and the exterior stripped, there was nowhere left for the rust to hide.
All right, safety glasses on. Let's slice through this rust. Let's get this last rotten piece out of here. Clean cuts, ready for the new skin.
Rust is all cleaned off, healthy metal underneath. Looks good, ready for welding. Years of corrosion had weakened the metal. The damaged section had to be removed before anything new could be welded in. Components reconnected, new battery installed, wiring and hoses checked, engine rotates smoothly, hood closed.
Once forgotten, once covered in rust, now restored and ready for the road.
Years of rust, years of neglect, one forgotten Mustang. And now, a second life.